Good morning, students. In the last video, we started to learn a first chapter of a 5th standard mathematics, Roman numerals. We learned what is Roman numerals and how we are going to convert that Roman numerals into the Hindu Arabic numbers and how we are going to convert that Hindu Arabic number into the Roman numerals. To learning the Roman numerals and to converting that Roman numerals into the Hindu Arabic numbers, we learned the 7 clue Roman numerals. That was I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 15, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. These 7 once again: I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. These 7 main Roman numerals we learned. By using these 7s, we are going to convert that into the Hindu Arabic numbers, and also we have to generate the other Roman numerals also. So today we are going to solve our problem set number 1. The question number 1 we already completed in the first video. That was write the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. We did for the homework. Now we have to start from the question number 2. Write the following numbers using international numerals. Here we have few Roman numerals and we are going to convert that into the international numerals. We learned that is the main sign out of that 5, that is 7. So that is 5. V stand for 5. V, I. We learned that the value of V is 5 and value of 1 is 1. 1 is 1. So whenever the smaller value is right to the Roman numeral, bigger numeral, so that we will going to add 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So we have to say that VII, that represent the number 7. Again the third one, 10. X is the main sign, main symbol out of that 7, that value 10. The next one, X, I. First one, X stand for the 10 and the rest triple I, that is for the 3, or we can say 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 10, 11, 12 and 13. So it could represent the number 13. The next one, fifth one, X, I, V. X for 10, I for 1, V for 5. So IV represented the 4 and X 10. So it could become 14. The next one, 6. X, V, I. Again first one, X is 10, VI is 6. 6 plus 10, it could become 16. The rest, next one, X, V, I. X represent 10 and V triple I represent 8. 10 plus 8 become 18. The next one, IX. X is for 10, I for 1. As we learned, if the smaller number is to the left side of the bigger numerals, that could going to subtract 10 minus 1, that is 9. Got it? So in this way we have to solve the question number 1. By using this Roman numerals, we converted that into the international numerals by using these 7 main clues. Now proceed for the question number 3, that is fill in the empty boxes. We have a table. In that table we have few empty boxes. That is nothing else. We are going to do the same thing. The international number is given and Roman numerals are missing. So we have to convert that international number into the Roman. If the Roman numeral is given, that time the international numerals are missing. So we are going to convert into the international numerals. That is 3. For 3 we have the symbol 3 I's. V, I, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. 6, for 6 we have 5, means V and I. For the 6, X, I, that is we are going to 10 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 12. 15, 10, for that we written X, and for 5 V. X, I, X represent 10 and IX for 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. 5 we know very well, V. Double X, 10 plus 10 become 20. And the last one is 9. For 9, 10, X minus 1, that is I. So I, X. That is representing the 9. So in this way, if the international number is given, we have found the Roman numerals. If the Roman numerals are given, so we have found the international numbers. Now proceed for the question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. These here, the same way we are going to solve that. We have the international numeral and we are going to convert that into the Roman numerals. 9. So we get X for the value of 10, and if you minus 1, so we are getting the 9. So left side IX. So value of 9 is IX. Second one is 2. That is nothing difficult. We have the value of 1 single I, and for 2 we have to repeat that. I becomes the value of 2. The next one is 17. For 17 also, 10 plus 7. For the value of 10 we have X, and for 7 V I. So it will become X V I, the value of X, that is 17. So for 17, X I, X V I. The next one is 4. For the 4, how you are getting? It's near to the 5. So 5 minus 1. For 5 we have the V, and for doing the minus we have to write at the left side. So IV becomes 4. Next one is 11 X I. Next one is 18 X V I. So X V triple I becomes the 18. So this way we are going to convert that the given international number into the Roman numerals. The next question is that write the answer in the given boxes in the Roman numerals. You can see over here we have the few Roman numerals in the form of addition. We have to solve that addition and put the answers in the boxes. So let's start. The first one. Triple I is given, that is the value of 3, plus IV stand for 4. 3 plus 4 become 7. And how we are writing the 7 in Roman numerals? That is V I. So that is in the form of Roman numerals. The second one is given IX, that is 9, plus X is representing the 10. 9 plus 10 become 19. How you are going to write the 19 in the Roman numerals? X, I, X. We already learned how to convert this international into the Roman numerals. The next one is IV, that is 4, plus V is nothing else 5. 4 plus 5 become 9. For 9, I, X in the Roman numerals. The next one is VI 6 plus X10 is equal to 16. How you are going to write 16? X VI. So in the Roman numerals we are written. The next one is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we are written X in the box. The sixth one is the last one. L representing 50 plus again L representing 50. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. For the 100, which signs we are using, which symbols? We already learned the main 7, so that is C. So in this way, if we have the additions in the form of Roman numerals, we are going to convert that into the international numerals, and we are going to solve that by adding, and after adding we are going to represent in the form of Roman numerals. कहाँ